What if I told you there are two AI frameworks right now that could completely change how we build and manage AI agents, but they do it in totally different ways? Today, it's Pydantic AI versus Q AI. And trust me, you'll want to know which one actually fits your workflow. Let's get straight to it. First up, Pydantic AI. You might already know Pydantic for making data validation in Python that simple. But now they have leveled up with an AI framework. Pydantic is all about safety, structure, and simplicity. It works smoothly with models like OpenAI and Anthropic, helping you build AI agents that are reliable and bug-resistant. Think of it as a clean, beginner-friendly way to spin up AI projects fast without drowning in complexity. And now let's look for QAI. This one designed for collaboration and orchestration. Instead of focusing on single agents, QAI lets you organize multiple AI agents into teams and call queues. Each agent can have specific roles, responsibility, and tasks that makes it perfect if you are building a system where AI agents need to delegate, collaborate, and actually work together, like research teams, customer service flows, or project automation. If we are finding this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now the big question is here, where does each one really shine? If you are just getting started or you care about clean type safe mode, Pydantic AI is the easier entry point. But if you are aiming for complex teamwork between multiple agents, QAI gives you guide structure out of the box. It's kind of comparing a sleek, simple toolbox to full-on workshop. You will pick the one based on how big your project really is. At the end of the day, both platforms shine in their own lane. Pydantic is your goal for simplicity and reliability. QAI is your best for collaboration and scale. So here's my question for you. Would you rather have one agent that's super safe and clean or a whole queue working together? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I would love to hear which one you would pick.